Students, let's begin with the chapter The Mauryan Empire. Today we will study in the archaeological sources the Sanchi Stup. It is located in the Raisen district of Madhya Pradesh, which is associated with Gautam Buddha and its monks. It is a hemispherical dome-like structures made of unburnt bricks and stones. A casket containing the relics of Buddha, hair, teeth and bone is placed at the base of the stup. The foundation of Sanchi Stup, it was laid down by Ashoka. There are 4 gateways in 4 directions. They have carved panels depicting the events from the life of Buddha and some tales from Jatak stories. Buddha is represented by a symbols like peepal tree, lotus or a wheel. The pillars, they are surmounted or crowned by columns or capitals which contains sculptures of lions. Now we talk about the Mauryan emperor or the ruler of the Mauryan dynasty. So the reign started from Chandragupta Maurya, then Bindusar, Ashok, Dashrath, Samprati, Salisukh, Devvarman, Shadhavan and Brihadat. So Brihadat was the last ruler of the Mauryan dynasty. He was assassinated in 185 BC during a military parade by the commander-in-chief of his guard, the Brahmin general Pushyamitra Sung, who then took over the throne and established Sung dynasties. The empire was founded by Chandragupta Maurya with the help of Chanakya, a Brahmin teacher at Takshila. According to several legends, Chanakya he travelled to Magad, a kingdom that was large and militarily powerful. But he was insulted by its king Dhananand of the Nanda dynasty. He therefore joined hands with Chandragupta to destroy the Nanda dynasty. After a long series of battles with Chandragupta, the Nanda capital at Patliputra fell. This led to the emergence of a new dynasty, the Maurya dynasty, with Chandragupta Maurya as the emperor. Alexander, the Greek ruler, he had conquered many states in the northwestern part of India. After his death, his territories of the Indian subcontinent it were taken over by Chandragupta Maurya. With the help of Chanakya, he embarked on the consolidation process of his empire. In 305 BC, India was again attacked by Seleucus, a former general under Alexander. Chandragupta defeated Seleucus, and according to the treaty signed with Seleucus, Chandragupta got Kabul, Kandahar, Herat and Baluchistan from the Greek commander. He gave his daughter Helen in marriage to Chandragupta. After this victory, Chandragupta appointed Pushyagupta as the governor of his northwestern provinces. He then proceeded to the south and captured some territories there. Chandragupta Maurya empire extended from Kabul and Kandahar in the northwest to Mysore in the south, and from Bengal in the east and Saurashtra in the west. Chandragupta became fascinated with Jainism. His guru was the Jain saint Bhadrabahu. So the emperor renounced his rule, handing over power to his son Bindusar. He then travelled south to a cave at Shravanbelagola, now in Karnataka. There Chandragupta meditated without eating or drinking for 5 weeks until he died of starvation in a practice known as Sanlekhan.